The next type of asking the question is, mention any one of the limitation of the particular flip-flop. Either it may be SR flip-flop or D flip-flop, or it may be JK flip-flop. But if you consider in case of the SR flip-flop is valid for 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 input condition. The moment when S equal to 1, R equal to 1, we are getting the invalid condition. So that when S equal to 1, R equal to 1, we are not using in the real time environment, because it is not producing the output, it is producing the output as the invalid or indeterminate output, right. So to solve this problem, we are using the D flip flop, right. So D flip flop means when S equal to 1, R equal to 1, this condition will not be occur in the D flip flop, so it will occur only 0, 1 condition. Now what is the limitation of the D flip flop is that, right. So if it is only 1 bit information, so see that here how many input information we are giving, one is S value, R value, right. It means we are giving the 2 bit input we can pass. In case of the D flip flop, it works only for the single input, right. So single input, but if you try to pass the 2 input, then obviously your D flip flop will not be useful, right. So to solve this problem, which flip flop we are going for? JK flip flop, right. So JK flip flop is useful for 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So that problem of the SR flip flop will be solved even for 1, 1 condition. But what is the limitation of the JK flip flop is that here we have something called as the race around condition. So race around condition means changing either 0 to 1 or 1 to 0 continuously, right. So continuously, due to this there may be a uncertainty, right. So uncertainty in finding the output value. This is what we called as the race around condition, which will occur when J equal to 1, K equal to 1, clock equal to 1. This is the limitation of the JK flip flop.